Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Prezi. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a effect not working on your country in TikTok. So maybe you're trying to use a specific effect on TikTok and it's not available. I'm going to be showing you a few steps you need to take for you to fix that problem. So the first step you need to take is to make sure that your TikTok is updated. So and update the TikTok. So on your Play Store here, all you need to do is to click on search and search for TikTok. So once you do that, you will see the update button. All you need to do here is to click on update. So while the TikTok is updating, go back to your TikTok. The second step in order for you to fix this problem, like and click on the top screen, three lines. Once you click on that, on your settings here, all you need to do is to scroll down until you get to storage, free up storage. So you can have space, click on that, then clear your cache. So once you have done that, all you need to do here now, if you can still access the effect you want to use, all you need to do here is you also click on the three lines, click on settings and private, scroll down till you get to report a problem. Report a problem, click on that. On report a problem, look for creation, click on creation, then click on beauty filter effects templates, click on that. Yeah, click on remove filters effect makeup. So all you need to do is to go through this. If you're done going through this and following the instructions they give you and you can still access the effect you want to use on your TikTok, go ahead and click on no and click on need more help. So once you click on help, all you need to do here is to click on I have questions about direct messages. So all you need to do here is to put down your problem. For example, you say effects not working on my TikTok. So once you're done doing that, if you're still not able to access the effect you want to use on TikTok, all you need to do is to switch off your phone, then turn it on again. To fix your effect not working on it. Video helpful, please like subscribe my YouTube channel and get this video. And I will also be happy if you share it with more people to go through it. So see you guys, man. Bye.